Hello, dear food lovers. Sauerkraut is very important this season, primarily due to its high vitamin C content, contributing significantly to health. Not only does it taste great, but it's versatile not just as a side dish. It can also be used, for instance, in soups or casseroles. We will be making a delicious sauerkraut and minced meat skillet. For this dish, we will need obviously sauerkraut, which can be fresh or pre-cooked. We'll need minced meat. I prefer a mixed variety. We require meat broth or alternatively vegetable broth and some diced bacon. Additionally, onions and garlic cloves, tomato paste, and then spices or herbs. Pepper and salt, caraway. I use whole, but ground is also fine, and juniper berries. A bay leaf and mustard seeds. We also need some pork lard and a bit of sugar. First, we'll tackle a few preparatory tasks. The onions are peeled and chopped. And similarly, we proceed with the garlic cloves. Only, these are chopped a bit finer and the diced bacon is sliced into small cubes. Now we add pork lard or alternatively clarified butter to a deep braising pan and heat it up. Next, we add the diced bacon pieces into the pan, sautéing them briefly for 1 to 2 minutes. Then the minced meat is carefully added, browning it until crumbly and lightly seared. Using high heat, stirring occasionally, breaking up larger pieces in the process. When everything is prepared and ready, we will add just one of the chopped onions along with the chopped garlic. Sauté while stirring for about 8 minutes, stir occasionally now and then. In the next step, we pour in the broth. Add the sauerkraut to the pan. Combine everything thoroughly. Reduce the temperature slightly now. Now we add the bay leaf to the pan as well as the juniper berries. We sprinkle in the mustard seeds, add the caraway, and also a bit of sugar. Finally, season generously with salt and also with pepper. Now add the tomato paste and mix everything together well. Reduce the temperature a little more. Let everything simmer as the pan is now covered and let it cook for another 35 to 40 minutes. After the time has elapsed, remove the lid. And now we also add the second chopped onion to the pan. This makes the dish a bit crunchier. Stir in the onion, and with that, we are finished. Remove the pan from the stove and serve it. I choose potatoes as a side dish, but it also tastes great with rice or just bread. Superb, and even without any side dish. I wish you lots of fun preparing it and then a very delicious meal.